Hey everyone, my name is Karina. Welcome back. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious sopa de conchitas con carne. So if you want to see how I make it, keep watching. For this recipe, we're going to start off by making the salsa for the soup. To the blender, I'm going to add 3 tomatoes that I've cut in half, quarter of a white onion, small piece of serrano, 1 garlic clove. Here I have 1 teaspoon of tomato bouillon and 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. And last, 1 cup of water. And now we blend. I'm gonna set my pan to medium high. Pan is hot and I'm gonna add the meat. I'm using 1 pound of ground beef. Once all the meat is broken down, I'm gonna add quarter of a white onion along with 2 minced garlic cloves. And I'm also gonna season with some salt and pepper. We now mix it and we cook it until it's fried. It's been about 5 minutes, our meat is ready and I'm gonna set it to the side. I've set my pot to medium heat and I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of oil. Oil is now hot and I'm gonna add a 7-ounce bag of conchitas. And we're gonna fry them until we get a golden color. Our conchitas are now fried. I'm gonna add 1 potato cut into smaller pieces. Fry it for about a minute. And now we're gonna add our salsa mixture. Give it a mix. And we're also gonna add an additional 4 cups of boiling water. Okay. This is a perfect time to see if you need more chicken bouillon or salt. Now we add the carrots. I'm using 1 carrot. Before adding the meat, I'm gonna remove any excess oil. Now I'm gonna add in the meat. We stir it, we cover it up and let it cook for about 10 minutes. It's been about 10 minutes and I'm gonna check on the soup. And it's looking delicious. Okay. I'm gonna add a small bunch of cilantro. Cover it up and cook it for an additional 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes and our sopa de conchas is now ready. Now it's time to serve myself a bowl. And there you have it, delicious sopa con carne. My favorite part, guys. Perfect for this weather. Super easy to make, delicious. Cheers. My kids love this sopita. Right now they're anxious to eat. They're on break, so super delicious. Alright guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and as well turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!